Hello friends, welcome to Shree Agarwal Academy. I Ratan Agarwal welcome you to today's session. Today what are we going to see? In today's session, we are going to have an extension of the previous videos. In the previous videos, we learned about identities, expansions, a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, a plus b bracket cube, a minus b bracket cube. And we also saw a plus b plus c bracket square. But today we are going to apply them and solve some problems. So today's video session will be about practical examples. So let us do them fast. Okay, so the first thing I would take is a plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square's expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, if we know this expansion, let us take 2-3 examples on this and solve them. So, I would take this as the first example, x plus 2y bracket square. Means now our a is x, our b is 2y. So now everything is going to remain the same. Wherever there is a, we are going to write x. Wherever there is b, we are going to write 2y. So I would write this as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Though I say a, I write x. Though I say b, I write 2y. Now this is called substitution step, and in the next step we are going to solve it. So this would be x square plus 2 2s are 4xy plus 4y square. So the expansion of x plus 2y bracket square is this much. I hope you understood. Let us take the next one. I would take the second one as a upon 2 plus b upon 2 bracket square. No issues. Now fractions have come. Upon 2, upon 3, anything may come. Let me make it slightly more different. I'll make it not 2, but a upon 2 plus b upon 3 bracket square. So again I would say a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope you're understanding. Wherever we are finding a, we are writing a upon 2. Wherever we are finding b, we are writing b upon 3, because our numbers are changed now, our terms have changed. This was substitution step, and now the simplification step. I would say this is a square upon 4 plus 2 into bracket, a into b is ab. This 2 into 3 I will keep as it is, and this is b square upon 9. Now by mistake don't write b square upon 6 or don't write b square upon 3, because 3 also have to be squared. Now in the next step, because we are doing simplification, these two will get cancelled, and finally we are going to have a square upon 4 plus ab upon 3 plus b square upon 9. So this is a upon 2 plus b upon 3 bracket square. So I took one example in which there were no fractions. I took one example in which there were fractions. Now let us take one more example. So the next problem which we are going to take is slightly different. Root 2a plus root 3b bracket square. No issue, sir. Don't be afraid. Even if square roots come, even if cube roots come, if we are doing it correctly, everything will come right and we will be winners. So let us see how to expand. A plus b bracket square. In our mind we keep on saying a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will write But when we are writing a, we will not write a, we will write root 2a. When we are writing b, we will write root 2 root 3b. So I would write a square plus 2 a b plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This was substitution step. And now we are going to simplify it. You know, root 2 square is 2. It is root 4 means 2. So 2a square plus 2 root 2 into root 3 ab plus root 3 square is 3b square. Now the last simplification step. This is 2a square plus 2 root 6, root 2 root 3 are root 6 ab, and this is 3b square. So finally root 2a plus root 3b bracket square is this much. I hope you understood the expansion. Then we will take a slightly different one in which we have decimal numbers. You know, some people find decimal numbers difficult. So we will use this and see how we get. So let us take the fourth example. What will I take? 0.1x plus 0.3y bracket square. Don't be afraid. I'm there with you. And I'm telling you, I'm training your mind. Once you know the technique, once you know the formula, once you know how to use it, how to substitute, you will land at the very right place. Don't be afraid at all. Be with me. Be confident. So this is a plus b bracket square. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this was a very first step. This was a simple step, but now the next step is going to be an important one, because we should know what is 0.1's square. I'll show you here. 0.1's square, normally we write 0.1. We write 0.1, wrong. This is one decimal. After the digit there is one decimal. So if you square, it will become 0.01. The square of 0.3 is, the square of 0.3 is not 0.9. No, it is 0.09. If one decimal was there, now 2 digits before the decimal will come. If you know this, this will become easy. So now I'm taking this and I'm simplifying. 0.1's square is 0.1, x ka square is x square, plus 2 into bracket 0.1 into 0.3 xy. I took coefficients first, and lastly 0.3's square is 0.9 y square. Okay sir, now final simplification step. 0.1 x square plus 2 into, if you multiply this, you will get 0.03. 3 ones are 3, but 0.3 and 0.1 will make 2 decimals, xy plus 0.09 y square. This finally is going to be 0.01 x square plus multiplication will give you 0.0 xy plus 0.09 y square. So finally 0.1 x plus 0.3 y bracket square will be this simple answer. I hope you understood it. So if we follow, we can get very correct results. I will take the last one in this series. In the series of x plus 1 bracket square, I will take one, and then we will switch over in the next video to the next one. What is the fifth one, sir? I would take this as x plus 1 upon x bracket square. So there is a fraction in this. Very simple. We will write x plus a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Sir, simplification. If you see in this multiplication, upon x and x will go. So this would be x square plus 2 ones are 2 plus 1 upon x square. So finally, x plus 1 upon x bracket square would give us x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square. This is the expansion of x plus 1 upon x bracket square. I hope you understood how to do expansion of a plus b bracket square. Whatever are the terms, don't be afraid at all. First, you should know the formula correctly. Then you should use the steps correctly, do substitution, and never go wrong in decimals. If you go wrong in decimals, if you go wrong in squaring, then the final answer will go wrong. So today we have seen in this video some examples, a variety of examples. I have taken variety. I have taken fractions, I have taken irrational numbers, I have taken fraction and a whole number, I have taken decimals, and I have taken simple numbers. So this will give you a good practice of solving any types of expansions for a plus b bracket square. I am uploading all this in our YouTube channel. In a playlist you can find these plus many more, where you can go and clear your concepts, you can understand better. Subscribe to my channel. I am available on Instagram and Facebook also. Get connected with me. Make maths your best friend. Thank you.